Hello guys, look at this pantry. I thank God that I have one, but it's been looking like this and it's been a nightmare, and we're gonna make it look like this. Let's get into it.
Problems in your life and you need advice. All you gotta do is ask Chantel.
Hi guys,
Hi guys.
my name is Chantel from askchauntel.com, and these are my two girls. What's your name?
That's Nina.
And what's your name?
And my name is Eden from God from Daddy.
I'm a Christian mom and wife and a relationship, life, and business coach, and I'm here to inspire women to have healthy lives, healthy families, and meaningful businesses and brands. Welcome to our channel. We hope that you love the video. Well, hello, my beautiful jewels and gems, and welcome to this edition of Ask Chauntel. I'm so excited to be here with you guys again for another declutter organization video. This is a declutter with me video for this pantry apartment, okay? And I hope that you guys are joining in with me. Definitely go start decluttering. Use this as inspiration in your life to help get yourself organized. All of you guys' comments have been really cool. I want to know if you have started decluttering, and are you decluttering, something already in your house? And if you haven't started, where's somewhere that you think that could use a little TLC, a little tender love and care? So this is not a huge space, but it's a very much well-used space. I'm in here every single day, and it's very important that the space is taken care of. And so I was a little overwhelmed and I was not excited about doing it, but I was like, you know what, let's get this done. I thought about the verse that if you are faithful over a few things, that he will make you ruler over many. And I thought, gosh, the Bible says that we are to be a good steward over our things, and this is not a huge space, but I'm grateful to have a space like this, a little pantry. And I don't see a lot of these videos, and I was like, you know what, there's a lot of people out there that got pantries like me, and they could use more of their vertical space just like me. And so I got these like shelf organizers from Target, and that was very exciting. I bought, I did this so perfectly. I bought 2 for the kitchen. Actually, I'm sorry, 4 for the kitchen, and then I bought 2 for the bathroom. And I know a lot of people do like under their kitchen sink, but I really didn't need that because I kind of had some really tall things in there. It wouldn't fit too well. So I was like, yeah, I'm good. This will work out really well. And it did. Like, fingers crossed, right? So when things work out, doesn't it just make you feel great? So a lot of dry ingredients here, and you saw the first step to decluttering and organizing is take that stuff out. Get it out, see what you have, try to combine what you can. And the most important thing, and you'll see I kind of rearrange and arrange these things, but the most important thing is to combine, oh my gosh, it makes me think of algebra, combine like terms. Like, put all the, you guys know I'm a nerd, so just know that, but put the things that are similar together, and then it's easier to find them when you need them. It's like you can replace it. Oh, it's right in the same spot. It also makes it easier for other people who are a part of your, family, community, to come in and be able to find things a lot easier. And this is important for us as women because we have to delegate. When you run a home, you're running an entire organization. And you want it to be as functional as it can be, because there's so many elements, there's so many moving parts in our lives, and it's important that we are able to extend the need to the people that can help us, like husbands, like kids, like friends, because who knows, pregnant, could be sick, and the unlikely possibility of that. It's important that, God forbid, these kind of things happen. It does happen. There has been times that I wasn't feeling great and somebody was mad to cook, and you could find the things that he needs to cook. Or, if it's not your husband, maybe it's your friend. It's just important, and then for your kids, if you expect for them to help you, you have to have things where they can find them. Now, my kids are not in my pantry, but you get the idea. So anyway, here we go, taking everything out, and I started with the first shelf and I took everything out of that, and the things that didn't quite fit well, I kind of kept them out, and then I went to the second shelf. And I'm singing. I honestly, I don't know what I was singing this day. I was like, okay, girl, yeah, you cleaning this space up. And you can see, like, I had all my peanut butter right here because I did have some kind of, oh my gosh, the kids are outside. I know you guys have been hearing them just screaming and playing and having a ton of fun right now. Thank God for that, because, you know, we've been in quarantine. But yeah, so they're outside chilling. But yeah, like you see, I had all of my peanut butter in one place, and that was good because people know, oh, if I put my hand all the way at the back, I'll find the peanut butter. But like everything else was a hot mess. So once I added these in, and I will put the link to this product, that the shelf organizers that I use, or something similar, because you guys know I'm starting to shop. That'll be in the description box for you. I'd also like to mention that you can find a lot of these kind of organization things at dollar stores or discount stores. And I would also like to mention that although I had ordered those Amazon, containers, like cereal containers and other kind of containers, I just said, you know what, instead of putting this off another week or waiting for them to come, I'll go ahead and just do this first round of organization. It can hurt, it'll make my life easier. I'll be able to see what I have, and then when the containers come, then I'll add them in. And so that's what I've done. Actually, since I filmed this video, I have gotten the containers and I have filled them, and I will come back and show you guys, but I'm gonna do it when I'm labeling. I'm gonna be labeling the containers, which is so important for your process, I'm telling you, so that other people can join in and help out. And I think it's important for you to receive help and to learn how to delegate. It's all about leadership when you're a woman and you're a mom and you're running a house, because you gotta take care of yourself, you gotta take care of everybody else, and you gotta make sure things are, done decently and in order. And that is how we create order in our lives, and it spills over into our marriages, it spills over into our friendships, it spills over everywhere. I mean, your kids watch everything you do, and so that has really caused me to really try to get my life. Oh, and I should also mention, please excuse my quarantine hair, because y'all, I was really going through some different things where I was trying out different styles and stuff, and I was like, man, if this is the time, if this is the time, like, to do that. And so, what have you guys been doing in quarantine? Like, what's your life been like? Has it been crazy? Has it been, relaxing, calming? Are your kids driving you crazy? I'd love to know. And any tips that you have on how you organize your space, please let us know. And, although this pantry organization declutter was not Pinterest worthy, I do Pinterest, you guys. You can find me at askchauntel. I thought, gosh, it's gonna make my life easier, and that's all that really matters. And this might help somebody else to make their life easier. And it's not always about the perfect picture, it's about functionality. And my space is much more functional, and I can definitely find things a lot better, and it's less of a headache when I open up that door and I know what I'm gonna get. So pretty soon here, you're gonna get some shots of like my before and after. And I wanted you guys to see this, to see that like life is not perfect, everything is not always gonna be perfect, but you can make it better. And if you have the right mindset, like, you can literally change your entire life and the life of those around you. Not to mention that when you do something like this, you can find all the food you have and realize that you don't need to buy more. So this was the after, one shelf, the other shelf, and then I'm going to show you guys what it looked like before and after right here. So on the left is the before and on the right is the after. And yeah, we're here with before, and then here's after. And it's a big difference. It's really making it better for us. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, there are more like it that I've done decluttering and organization videos. Link is in the description box below. Definitely like the video if you did, and don't forget to comment on if you have any projects going. I want to know what they are, and we'll see you on the next one. Hugs and kisses, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already.